This is Michelin-style work right here. This is easy. Boom, get the barbecue fired up. I feel like a racing driver. Hello everyone, welcome to my cheat day cook-along. I'm here at Hilton's Waldorf Astoria Amsterdam with Sidney Schutte, head chef of their amazing two-Michelin-star restaurant, Spectrum. Being a racing driver, it's important to eat well, but sometimes you need to treat yourself. I'll be wearing one of these. Did you want one?
No, I prefer my own one. It's my own initials, so it's fine. Thank you.
Okay, I see how it is. So, most important thing, what are we making today?
Today we're gonna make the burger.
Yes.
And I know that stroopwafel is also your special treat.
They are.
And we make a mini vanilla ice cream burger from stroopwafel.
I mean, it sounds beautiful. For some of you that might be vegan out there, we are gonna have a vegan option too. Let's get cracking.
But the secret of a good burger is the bun.
Yes, I agree.
The bun needs to be fluffy, soft, milky, so there's milk inside, and butter. So it's between brioche and a milk bun. And then the most important of the meat is the fattiness. Okay. I know it sounds ridiculous, but this is 45% fat.
45?
45. So this is really a cheat meal. We won actually the best burger in Holland. So
really?
with this burger. The only thing we're going to do is season it with some salt. The pan needs to be super hot. And just a little bit oil because the fat will come out. The hotter the better. And then you squeeze a little bit that it hits the surface really good.
Sure.
Yeah, watch out, it's really
No, it's fine, it's fine. I do this all the time at home.
Only searing, so not the cooking itself. The cooking itself we do on the barbecue. You see the fat always coming a little bit out. Yeah. But if you have good quality burger, that most of the fat stays in. You still see me?
Yeah. Whoa.
It's juicy, yeah?
Look at that.
So, I'm just curious, I mean, for me it's all about foie and about caviar and about lobster.
Oh, yeah.
This is what I do, what I like, what I love, but you cannot eat that because you're on a racing diet or something.
No, I think you just listed the 3 things that I dislike the most.
Oh, really?
Yeah. My diet is quite strict, normally. I have a chef who does all my food.
A lot of vegetables.
Vegetables. Then I always do like a blood test to see what I'm lacking. No, because I don't eat fish. So like an omega-3, normally I'm very low, things like that.
Yeah.
And then he'll cook foods that is special for me.
So what you're missing?
What I'm missing, what I'm deficient in. Oh, wow. So iron, magnesium, omega-3.
Oh, wow.
Whatever it may be.
For the burger, you know, we have, of course, the pickles, the tomato, the cheese. Yeah. But to make it a little bit more of your own personal touch, we make it with an onion compote, a little bit spicy.
That's perfect.
And that, for us, is the best burger.
An onion compote.
The only thing what you need to do is saute the onions.
Yeah.
We do it step by step. You can throw it in.
This is all he trusts me with. And what's your most special dish?
The one with the sepia. You know the sepia?
No, I don't know that.
It's like a sea cat in English.
Sea cat?
Yes.
That sounds delicious.
I'm just curious, if you did the whole day racing, what are you going to eat then?
I eat the same food every week. Like a chicken wrap, or like chicken and rice. The last thing you want is to eat something you shouldn't have when you're driving, you know what I mean? So I keep it simple. Chicken, chicken, chicken.
That's it. Do you ever cheat a little bit?
Never.
And now without the camera?
Quite a lot.
Now we put this one on, the vinegars.
Okay. That hit me pretty hard.
I hope you still can race. A little bit honey. Ooh. And we're gonna finish it with some sambal, some chili paste and some tomato ketchup. That's it. Simple and really good. So the bun, you cut it in half? Oh, that sounds really simple.
This is Michelin-style work right here.
And then we burn it, we toast it on one side on the plancha.
Oh, on that. We're just giving it a little bit of a crispy touch.
I have here the salad, it's the romaine salad.
Yeah?
At home you would chop it in pieces, but here we cut it out in a ring, of course.
When did you get your first Michelin star?
I think I was 25 or something, 24, 25.
Oh, so just a couple of years ago?
Yeah, it's only 8 years ago.
And your second one, you got it here in Spectrum?
Yeah, but here we get 2 in one time. So we skipped the first one immediately. So
oh, really?
Straight
in?
Straight in. But that's already 10 years ago, so I'm still waiting for the third one.
What'd you have to do to get the third?
Just be better than the rest. You know all about it, I think. You need to go on the barbecue?
Yeah.
How you want it cooked?
You see, I'm more like a medium well kind of guy. I don't eat a lot during Sunday. I'm having my popcorn, pretzels,
Popcorn and
pineapple.
pretzels.
Yeah, that's my Sunday pre-race meal. Then on Sunday after the race, I'll have a burger.
So every time after race,
Yeah.
there's no problems, no cheating, no.
No, that's not cheating.
No?
No,
that's fine.
That's legal.
Yeah?
Yeah. Well, I mean, you burn a lot of calories during the race.
Yeah, exactly.
A lot. You can lose 3 kilos,
3 kilos.
4 kilos.
But is that
In the extreme races, you lose almost 4 kilos.
Oh,
My trainer gives me the burger, you know, so if he gives it to me, it's fine. Why you cook them in the barbecue and not in a pan?
first I sear them, that the fat is not going out too much, because if you put them raw on the barbecue, your barbecue will be on fire.
But then why do you do the barbecue and not just the pan for the whole? Because most people at home will do it in the pan the whole
This
time.
for the flavor.
For the flavor.
Yeah, the smokiness.
Smoke them. Smoke
Yeah.
the barbecue. Get the barbecue fired up.
Okay, now we're gonna make our hands dirty. These are
Alright.
onion rings. We do 3 rings per person. We
Yeah.
do it in the flour, and then we do the batter, and then we fry them.
So flour, batter.
Yeah. And then in the oil.
This is easy.
Ah, they're really nice.
Yeah.
They're really
Thank
nice.
you very much.
I hope you're hungry, because this is gonna be a big one.
I'm on holiday, so I'll have 2 burgers. Where do you wash your fingers?
So here now we have the toasted buns. We put the onion compote on the bottom of the bun.
I'm doing like the main part of the job here. So we do secret sauce, singular leaf. 2's too much.
So the cheese is melted on the burger.
Oh wow.
Okay, some pepper, black pepper,
Yeah, yep.
and that's it. So now we're gonna
Oh,
put
no,
the tomato here first.
2 tomatoes.
2 slices.
Yeah. We're down to the tomato slice.
Oh, then we need slice 1 extra.
Maybe that's why you don't have 3 Michelin stars. Shall I put the burgers on?
Yeah.
Boom.
Boom. And then another one
On top.
on top. Yeah.
That's pretty crazy, man.
That
Pretty
looks
big
good, huh?
burger.
That looks good, huh?
Is that almost done then?
Only the onion rings on top, and that's it. So put the skewer in,
Yeah.
and then through the skewer we put some onion rings.
Oh, on top. That's impressive, huh?
That's a nice one, huh?
All of that, 200 calories per level.
Per level, yeah.
Yeah. That's beautiful. Shall I try it? Oh my God. How do you do this? How do you... How do I do that?
Yeah. Yeah. Here you have a napkin.
That's pretty juicy, huh?
It's pretty juicy, yeah?
Oh wow, delicious. That's a juicy burger.
You're a talent, huh? You do this more often, I think.
I feel like a racing driver.
Yeah.
We'll come back to this in a bit, because right after this we need a dessert.
Now we're gonna make a stroopwafel dessert. I know you like stroopwafel, so we
Yep.
make it a simple mini stroopwafel burger with vanilla ice cream. So
Perfect.
this one, the small stroopwafel,
Yeah.
we put for a few seconds in the microwave,
Okay.
and we just take the lid off until you get this one. So you separate them,
Earlier. Yeah.
and then this one is also we chop in pieces, put it in a bowl, and we mix it up with vanilla ice cream.
Now we're talking. This one.
Yeah, if you want to chop it up, watch out please for your hands. The ice cream needs to be a little bit harder than normal because the waffle is a bit warm, and otherwise the ice cream is already melted before you start eating.
Sure. Oh, this smells amazing.
It's good, huh? Yeah, perfect. You know, you can put this in between the waffles, but like this is also amazing.
That looks good enough.
Put it in.
In the stroopwafel. Oof.
Like this,
Yeah. Stroopwafel on top.
and just squeeze it,
Oh my gosh.
and then just eat it right away.
Eat that? You want me to eat it?
Yeah.
Am I allowed? Do you let people eat in your kitchen always?
Yes,
Oh my gosh.
Of course.
Wow. I mean, that's what I needed after a burger. Pretty good, man. Pretty good.
Yeah, you like it? So what's your rating about this cooking?
I mean, as a cheat day meal, I mean, I don't know I don't know how I can cheat more than that.
If you cheat more than this, I'm not sure it's healthy.
Do you have another one?
It's nice.
Well, thanks everyone for joining my cheat day cook along. And of course, a massive thank you to Sidney for creating these beautiful masterpieces. I hope you all enjoyed it as much as I did, because I enjoyed it a lot. I mean, I really can eat the whole thing here.
Hilton for the stay.